Bang Bang Salmon from Shell's Time Kitchen Flavor today. Stay tuned for my video. Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today your girl will be prepping some Bang Bang Salmon from scratch. So I purchased the salmon with the skin on, and I just make a little edge on one of the corner and remove the skin. It's easy to remove the skin. Once done, I dried. Make sure to remove all water. I seasoned with paprika, garlic powder, a little Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, chili powder, and some Old Bay. Once done seasoning, I covered for an hour and then I prepped. Now, this Bang Bang salmon, I've seen persons do Bang Bang shrimp, so I opted to try this Bang Bang salmon for the first. Never tried it before, but remember, experimenting gives me so much motivation. It gives me so much joy to experiment and also to get out of my Jamaican culture comfort zone and to experiment. So I do hope that you will enjoy this video and you too will try some of what I've experimented on. Once done seasoning, I added a little cornstarch and I floured this lightly with the cornstarch. For my sauce, I use QP, mayonnaise, sweet chili sauce, and some sriracha to make my sauce. To coat my salmon, I made my homemade buttermilk, which is regular whole milk and lemon juice, or if you choose, you can use vinegar. But I use lemon juice in mine until it got thick. Then I coated some of the salmon bites in the cornstarch that I seasoned, and I fried this in some avocado oil on medium heat until they were like crispy or golden brown or to your desired liking. This tasted really good. The sauce was the bomb. And I've realized lately with salmon that when I purchase it, my family does not enjoy it. I don't either. I think they're putting too much coloring in it. This one tasted really fresh. It tasted good. The sauce made it lit. Listen, you too should try this. The QP mayonnaise, I purchased this in Walmart, and also the sweet chili sauce, and I added a little dash of sriracha in this. It tasted really good, and for me to eat salmon, I have to have lots of lemon on it to squeeze to help to bring a little zest, and also for spice I used lots of chili powder. You don't have to. Chili is spicy, but I do enjoy it. And if you made it this far in the video, I tasted this at the end. I did a taste test. Please remember to give the video a like. It is free. Your girl was like really tired, but I wanted to test this so you saw it. It tasted really good. It was a different, and I really enjoyed the salmon. I haven't had it in a while because I think they're coloring and doing something to the one that I purchased in the shop. But this one in the packet tasted really good. Again, thank you for coming to Shell's Time Kitchen. Thank you guys for the support. Next, on to something new.